Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. Well, if you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. And if you're a new member, could you please share, like, and smash that subscribe button? It helps other people know when I post videos. And before we get started, I'm not a medical doctor. I don't make any medical claims, and this is all based on my own personal journey. So please do your homework first before you get started. And welcome to week 152 weight loss update or results. Well, we didn't have a very great week losing weight. We actually gained about 4 pounds. And so what happened was Thursday night there we had a concert at the Brooks Pond, and I filmed the fireworks after the concert got done. And when you go there, it's free to the public if you know somebody that lives there, which we do. And I ended up eating some foods that I weren't really supposed to be eating, but it was all free to the public. They had Chinese food, they had lobster rolls, all free alcohol. I didn't drink any alcohol, but I did break my almost 2 months now without having a soda, and I didn't really miss it, so I'm not going to be drinking any more soda for a while now. But we had a good time. The music was a Frank Sinatra impersonator, and he brought out Marilyn Monroe, and she was gracious enough to grab a photograph with me, and I took a photograph selfie with Frank Sinatra, the band that portrayed him, and he had his mannerisms down pretty much to a science. And my wife and I had a great time. My sister came down, and it was really a fun night. And we got there about 3:30. Fireworks and all that got done about 9:30, and we got home pretty early. And Friday night, my wife and I went to bingo. We did the charity. Donna didn't win anything. She had a small crowd, but Friday night we had a wicked storm that came rolling through, and it was hailstones about the size of $50 that people were telling me. And I would have been outside filming that, but I was inside doing the charity Friday night. We had a good night. She had a small crowd. I think it was because of the storm that came in. So today is Sunday. It is July 23rd, and I'm actually walking in the downtown area. It's nice and cool and comfortable today. My headphones just died on me, so I got to charge them up again. But I had a guy take a nice photograph of me standing over there by the tree there, and I'll put a before and after photograph in the thumbnail. But what I'm doing is every time I go walking, if I see somebody that I can trust to take a photograph of me, I'm just documenting my journey to get some more before and after photographs, because I'm down 150 pounds, guys. And even though I had a bad week, a bad month even, it's just a journey. Life is a journey, and I would suggest not giving up. I mean, I'm certainly not going to give up. I am planning on doing a lot of live videos coming up soon, and I want to start filming more and more. I told the guys at the volunteer places now where I've been volunteering now since 2012. This is my final year of doing anything for the city. I want my own time with my wife, and we're concentrating on my journey and my YouTube channel and inspiring many of you to get healthy. And I would suggest though, if you're new to weight loss and you're not sure how to start, try to focus in on your health first and not so much on the scale. But we're going to talk about all that in tonight's live and some other videos that I'm going to be doing. And I sent out for a nice food scale. This food scale it only cost me $40. What's great about the food scale, it's all digitized, obviously, and what I mean by it's got PLU numbers, like when you go buy something, how they scan the barcode. It's got over 1,000 PLU code numbers in there, so you just punch in the code. And like if you take I don't think plums are part of weight loss for the ketogenic lifestyle, but I'm just taking that as a for instance. You just take the plum and you set it up on a scale, and you set it to 0, and you punch in the PLU number or the product number, and you hit enter, and then it calculates out exactly how much it weighs and how much macros and calories it all is. And it takes the artwork out of guessing. It's even more accurate than Carb Manager. And so that's what's great about it. And then if it doesn't have the barcode, you can customize it to that particular barcode, and it'll let you create recipes right on the scale and everything. So I'm definitely excited about that new scale, and when I start getting it, I'll unbox it, do a product review, and we'll test it together and see how accurate it is, and we'll compare it with Carb Manager. I still use Carb Manager, but I just, it's I'm not using it as much as I should, because I think that's another reason why I've been gaining weight. So today my feet feel a lot better. I've been treating them every day. Oh yeah, we bought a freezer. We got that coming in on Tuesday. We got to get rid of some small pieces of furniture to make room for it. And yeah, so we're just going to keep chugging along. Did a band concert on Tuesday night. That they moved it into the city hall because it rained out Tuesday night again. We've been getting an awful lot of rain. According to the 7-day forecast here, we got some good weather coming up, so we're going to be okay going forward. But I'm just taking one day at a time as God gives it to me, and hope tomorrow is better than today. I had his father over there with his 2 kids here. He took a photograph of me earlier. But I'm going to get going. I would encourage you. I did some fishing and stuff like that. And that's probably about all I've done all week long. And just, of course, I continue to film and trying to get the website up and running and get some more information into it. But I'm in the downtown area. You got a nice background of me. The traffic is going by. And, I'm just taking, what God gives it to me every day. But anyways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Love you guys. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Remember, I love you. God loves you. Have an amazing day.